जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Welcome back to Ahmad Tech Tube YouTube channel. This is the platform where you can see the videos, where you can see the updates about the technologies like the programming languages, like the freelancing and the online earning tricks. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button so that you will be able to see the upcoming updates about these technologies, about these topics, and hope these are the interesting topics, and yeah, money is the need for everyone to survive in this world, and so that this is the video. This is the video about the Flutter. I am going to start the course about the Flutter, and this is my first video about the Flutter. So the video is completely, so please see the video completely. Don't skip any section, any video, any session, any moment of this video. And now going to the topic. This is the Flutter. Flutter is a Google's free and open source UI framework for creating the native mobile application. Flutter, it means Flutter is by the Google, and this is the free and open source UI framework for creating the native mobile application. You can create the native mobile application by using the Flutter. Released in 2017, and Flutter allowed developers to build the mobile application for both iOS and Android with a single code base and programming language. It means Flutter allows the developers to develop the iOS app and the Android app from the single code base, and the single language. This capability make the Flutter's iOS and Android app simpler and faster. This means that this capability means single code base make the iOS and Android app simpler and faster, because in the previous times the Android need the both iOS app is developed by the other language, and Android app is developed by the other language, by the different languages. So this is the difference, and this is the difficulties for the developers. Why is Flutter used? Although Flutter is a newer cross-platform framework, and more companies have chosen Flutter over frameworks such as the Xamarin, Cordova, and React Native. Means Cordova, React Native, and Xamarin is not used by the companies because there is a no capability, because in these frameworks no capability to create the both apps, iOS and Android app from the single code base. So that Flutter is better. Flutter's popularity is increased day by day. Some of the top reasons why development teams choose Flutter include increased productivity. Using the same code base for the iOS and Android save both time and resources. Means increased productivity. Productivity increased means the same single code base for the both iOS and Android app save the time for the developer and the resources. Easy to learn. This is easy to learn, and it's actually mostly easy to learn. And great performance means user report that it is difficult to notice the difference between a Flutter app and a native mobile app. It means that in the previous time an Android technology means by the Kotlin and the Java is used to develop the Android app, so that this point shows that there is no difference. It's difficult. It's more and more difficult to see the difference, to notice the difference between the Flutter app and the native mobile app. Cost effective building iOS and Android with the same code base is essentially building two apps for the price of the one. Means that iOS and Android app is developed by the single code base. This is the cost effective feature. Means a single code base is used for the both iOS and Android app, rather than making the iOS separate iOS code base and the Android code base available on the different IDEs. Developers are free to choose that between the Android Studio, Visual Studio Code, and to editor their code on the Flutter. Means that Flutter in the previous time, the Kotlin and the Java means the developers are Developers have to necessarily choose the IDE, means Android Studio. Only Android Studio option is available for the developers, but by the Flutter you can use the different IDEs by installing the extensions. Great documentation and community, means that communities are available on the Flutter community and Flutter available. Though these two major communities are present to help the developer to seek to learn the concepts of the Flutter, and different groups are present on the Facebook, on the WhatsApps, and so that this is the major feature. This is the most important feature because different errors are present in the code base. This is natural in programming, so that this is also great feature. Two communities, two official communities, Flutter community and Flutter Awesome, means two communities are present on the YouTube and also on the Facebook. So now go to the benefits of the Flutter. Benefits of the Flutter app development. Flutter offer a wide range of benefit for the business folk and the developers alike. Means कि Flutter is equal for the business and the developers. Flutter wide range of benefits provide Flutter provide wide range of benefits. Flutter offer good quality for reasonable cost as well as a great usability and speed. Development goes faster when the same code is used for the both iOS and Android. This is the major, this is the most important, this is the markable difference between the other frameworks and the Flutter. Flutter app performance is equivalent to that of the native real-time application. Unlike other frameworks, Flutter app do not need a bridge to interact with the native components. Means there is no need of bridge, there is no need of any bridge like in the previous times to interact with the native components, since these bridges typically cause performance issues. Means create the performance issues, means create a bridge network issue will create this, so that this is the problem. This gives Flutter a decided advantage. Flutter is a hot reload, means that during development a hot reload option is present. Means to hot reload means the option where the change code is then reloaded immediately while the app is running. Means which change which you made in the code while the app is running, it will reloaded immediately, not ending the session on the real device, simulator or the emulator. This is the major and the most important difference also. So now these are the drawbacks of the Flutter app development. While Flutter app development present a lot of positivity, it is also important to consider the lesser aspect of the Flutter framework. Flutter is relatively new, means Flutter new. While the Flutter offer many plugins and UI components, framework like Xamarin and Arena offer much larger selection. While Flutter will not be new framework on the block forever, this is the situation now. Dart is not very popular, means that Dart is not very popular. My student made a question to me, so that Flutter Dart is better or the Java or Kotlin. Means I want to say that Dart is not Dart is not much popular, but this is the language by the Google. Google is the future. Google is not the future, but Flutter is the future, because there is a major difference. There is a major feature from developing the both Android and the iOS app from the single code base. This is the major and the most important feature of the Flutter development, and Flutter is also the most sufficient, most speedy framework present in the world. I saw some components are only available for iOS and Android. This is the drawback I have seen more important, because now we are going to the course content of our course. This is the front page Flutter Scratch course by the Ahmed Jamal. Search on the Google or YouTube. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for seeing the upcoming updates. Ahmed Tech Tube on the Google or on the YouTube. You can find out my channel. And now next, this is the course content. And first video is the problem of every house. So please understand these disturbances. So now this is the second video about the installation, downloading software required for the development. We see these concepts in the videos. What is UI and UI definitions are important about the UI. First app means we have to make the first app in the Flutter. This is the video, this is the day you will enjoy the Flutter's first app made by you. What is the widget? Widget is the most important concept in the Flutter development. And now second section is the exploring widget. This is the section where we will see the different components of the development by the Flutter. Means the definition, what mean the container, row, column, list view, material drawer, network image, circular avatar, and grid view, fab, floating action button, asset image and card, scroll view, text field, and code organizing is also an important and most requiring feature, most important feature for making for makes you the good developer. Now in the 19th video is the networking with HTTP, mean how to interact with the network. HTTP is a protocol by which you can interact with the network. Network means the things present on the network, you can fetch it into your app. This is the means networking. So that farm stack navigation. This is the video. 20th video is 20 matlab means 20 video is the video where we will develop a complete sign up and the login page. Now this is the video where you can enjoy this course. Project mega project. We will create the mega project, means more than one projects, after one then second then third, and this is and upload the name to play console, and then add more integration, and then this is the congratulations, you are the Flutter Android developer. After this course, you please stay tuned with us. We will try to help you more by designing the Flutter advanced course and exploring much more advancement to shine up the app. So thank you very much, and these are the concepts which we will learn in this video, and hope you will enjoy this video and also learn the concept. So please start practice on it. And now about the second video, our second video will be on the installation, how we can install the environment for the Flutter development. Okay, Allah Hafiz.